Hi, this is Leah Schaefer on behalf of ExpertVillage. Today we're going to learn how to make a healthy vegetarian Lebanese feast. So we'll start out with the tahini. Tahini again is a mixture of toasted sesame seeds and olive oil, which has just been pureed. We use about 1/3 cup or so. Pour that over evenly. And a little bit of cold water just to smooth it out. I'm not going to use all of it. I'll check it in a minute to see how it goes. And the lemon juice, and just a couple tablespoons. And I'll save a little bit in case I want to add more at the end. Pinch of sea salt. If I need more at the end, I'll add it. A dash of cayenne pepper. Whenever I'm using cayenne pepper right out of the bottle, I always put it in the lid first. There have been way too many times where I've dumped way too much and ruined a recipe. So, just a dash. Oh, I like heat. I'll have to go a little bit more. Looks good. And a handful, a couple tablespoons or so of the parsley. We have to take the spatula and scrape down the sides to make sure that all of the chickpeas and garlic get mixed in. Okay, that looks good. We have to scrape down on the sides in between. We'll stop and do that again. For now, we'll go ahead and put the lid back on. There we go. Put it on low again and pulse it up. Okay, let's go ahead and check the consistency.